With the Loop Tools extension enabled, select the loops that you want to redistribute geometry along. Select one edge, hold Ctrl, and select another edge to select everything in between. And hold Shift to add more to that selection. Then right-click and choose Loop Tools Space. For transitions between different amounts of loops, I like to select all the faces and press F. This fills it with one big n-gon. Then press Ctrl T to triangulate, and then Alt J to turn it all back into quads. Then you can add and scale down some edges between any remaining triangles to solve those into quads as well. Sometimes you can reduce geometry by sliding edges with G and with Auto Merge enabled to merge them to neighboring geometry. Then combine any triangles that are facing each other by selecting them and pressing F. Slide vertices as needed to redistribute the result in more of a quad shape.